You're walking down a long empty street. It's silent. It feels off. Not dangerous exactly, but unsettling. You check your surroundings, pick up your pace, and wonder, why does this place feel like this? What if I told you it's not just your imagination? What if the way a city feels isn't an accident, but a choice? A system, a design, built not just to move people or grow economies, but to control them. Welcome to the urban design of fear. Let's talk about how cities are shaped by fear, power, surveillance, and control. We have all felt it, the weird, uneasy tension in some public spaces. Too open, too empty, too dark, too controlled. These feelings aren't random. They're the byproduct of spatial psychology, how the built environment affects emotion, behavior, and perception. From post-war urban renewal to brutalist megastructures, some cities have shaped more by what they wanted to prevent than what they hoped to build. Let's start where it's most obvious, in authoritarian regimes. In Stalinist Moscow, the city was widened to allow tank movement. In Nazi Berlin, Spears access was built for massive rallies. In Brasilia, citizens live on wide controlled areas far from the symbolic core. Authoritarian urbanism creates cities with monumentality, centralized visibility, surveillance infrastructure, spatial separation of state versus citizens. These aren't bugs, they're features. Planners like Le Corbusier dreamed of efficient, orderly, observable cities, but order often sacrifices humanity. Let's talk about the panopticon. British philosopher Jeremy Bentham proposed a prison where inmates didn't know if they were being watched, so they policed themselves. Modern surveillance architecture works the same way. Cameras in high visibility areas, glass buildings as a symbolic openness, public squares designed to discourage gatherings. In London, one of the most CCTV dense cities on earth, fear is institutionalized in urban form. It's not just dictatorships. In Los Angeles, defensive architecture like anti-homeless benches and security fencing is everywhere. Gated communities in America use street design to filter and isolate. Even public transit systems are designed with fear in mind. Bright lighting, open sidelines, no hidden corners. We're not just designing for safety, we're designing for control. Fear sells. Urban fear drives real estate decisions, insurance markets, and policing. Crime prevention through environmental design, or for short, CPTED, became a global design philosophy. Natural surveillance, territorial reinforcement, target hardening. But CPTED often reinforces inequality. Low-income areas get harsh lighting, fencing, policing, while wealthy areas get curated greenery, private security, exclusionary zoning. The city becomes a reflection of class fear. If this is opening your eyes on how a space shapes power, subscribe to UrbanDecode. We go deeper than most channels, and there is so much more coming. After 9/11, Western cities redesigned their course. Concrete boulevards, surveillance zones, militarized plazas. Fear became embedded in everyday architecture. The open city became a secured city. Even London and New York transformed public space into checkpoint zones. Urban design became counter-terrorism. Today's smart cities promise optimization, but they also bring new layers of control. Facial recognition in public, license plate tracking, predictive policing maps. Sidewalk Labs tried to build a Google-owned smart city in Toronto. It collapsed under privacy concerns. Who controls the smart cities? Who benefits? Fear is now coded in sensors, not just concrete. So how do we fight it? Urban design doesn't have to be fear-based, it can be dignity-based. Cities like Copenhagen, Medellin, and Seoul have invested in human-scale design, transparency plus accessibility, multi-use public space. The best way to reduce fear, build the spaces that encourage life. Cities should be felt, not feared. Cities shape how we move, how we gather, how we feel. If you made it this far, you know urban design isn't neutral. It's political, it's emotional, and it affects everyone. So if you want more videos like this, deep dives that uncovers how cities really work, subscribe to UrbanDecode. We're just getting started. Thanks for watching.